Count with me. Men across the US were asked what women do on first dates that screams nope. We're starting at the top. How many of these do you have? Stick to the end, your score actually means something. We took it from YouGov Dating Experiences and Etiquette, January 2025, and form it into the small list for you. Starting with the heavy hitters. 1. Being rude to staff, men calling it a red flag, 86%. It's an instant character check. 2. Trashing his order. Whoa, you got that? Red flag to 90% of men. Spicy take, wrong moment. 3. Phone glued to your hand. Frequently scrolling, 85% red flag. Save the feed for later. Keep counting, and as a bonus, we will reveal number 1 his red flag, just to stay equal. Number 4. Pushing him to get drunk. Big nope for 81%. Fun does not equal pressure. 5. Showing up late with no heads up. 79% red flag. A text would have saved this. Quick breath. If you're scoring to already, breathe. We're in the human zone, not the villain arc. Still huge. 6. Won't answer anything about yourself. 78% red flag. Mystery is cute. Stonewalling isn't. 7. Talk only about yourself. 80% red flag. Interview mode off. Duet mode on. 8. Ask what he makes. 71% red flag. Money talk this early feels transactional. 9. Cancel last minute. 67% red flag. Emergencies happen. Patterns tell the story. 10. Decide plans without him. 65% red flag. Partner, not passenger. If your count is climbing, this is not the Oscars. No acceptance speech needed. Just notice and tweak. Now, the sneaky ones. 11. Order the most expensive thing. 56% red flag. Splurge reads different on a first lap. 12. Mention your own income. 56% red flag. Flex later, vibe now. 13. Order for him. 55% red flag. Cute in movies, controlling in real life. 14. Expect him to pay the whole bill. 54% red flag. Clear norms beat silent tests. 15. Phone out during the convo. 74% red flag. Eyes more than icons. Got your number, hold it. Here's what it really means. 0 to 2 flags. You're fine. Keep your natural style, add tiny courtesy moves, and you're golden. 3 to 5 flags. Pay attention. Pick one habit to fix this week. Texts for lateness, phone face down at dinner, or you go first questions. 6 to 7 flags. Time for a reset. These aren't personality flaws. They're noisy habits. Choose 2 to drop and 1 green flag to add, like confirming plans. 8 or more. Damn, girl. Slow down with the attitude. It is the first date, not final exam day. Do less testing, more connecting. Give a decent guy a real chance. And now, his biggest red flag. If all my exes are crazy is his catchphrase. The common denominator is him. This is an 85% red flag. Count in the comments and tell me which one you're swapping. If you stayed to this moment, you rock. Thank you. We'll really appreciate it.